Today, I'm excited to present a wealth of new information regarding the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 Ultra, including official confirmation of a game-changing feature. Before we dive into that, let's kick things off by exploring an exciting feature in the Galaxy S24 lineup that's set to take full advantage of their upcoming vibrant and enhanced HDR displays. These devices are poised to revolutionize your viewing experience. While current Samsung flagship phones can capture HDR photos and videos to catch when you're eager to view them in your photo album, they play in plain old SDR mode, not as impressive as they could be. Interestingly, iPhones don't have this limitation. They deliver the full HDR experience in their Photos app. The good news is that Samsung is stepping up its game by bringing this feature to the Galaxy S24 lineup with One UI 6.1. This means you can enjoy HDR content right in your gallery app. And with the new phones rumored to feature super bright screens boasting up to 2500 nits, this edition is sure to elevate your viewing experience even further. What's more, the HDR feature on the Galaxy S24 is set to outshine that of iPhones. Wondering why? Well, when you share HDR photos and videos from an iPhone to non-Apple devices like Windows PCs or Android phones, you're out of luck if you want to view the content in HDR format on those devices. But with the S24, that's not an issue. It doesn't matter which device you send those photos and videos to. It will showcase the content in HDR format, provided you have an HDR display. And as a bonus, the Pixel 8 also boasts this feature. There's even a possibility that Samsung might extend this capability to some of its existing Samsung phones with the upcoming One UI 6.1. Now here's a subtle tweak in store for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The speaker grille will feature a long rectangular stripe and won't have the pill-shaped holes seen on current Galaxy flagships. The last time we saw this design was on the S9. It's a minor change that won't affect how the speakers sound. Moving on, there's been a long-standing rumor about Samsung equipping their phones with satellite communication capabilities. The S23 was rumored to get it, but it didn't happen. There were whispers that this feature might debut with the S24 lineup, but there wasn't solid evidence. Well, that changed today as the president of Samsung LSI officially confirmed that Galaxy phones will indeed support satellite services starting next year. Reading between the lines, it's a clear nod to the upcoming Galaxy S24 series, expected to make its debut in January 2024. Like iPhones, the satellite feature on the S24 will be a step ahead, offering two-way communication, not just for SOS applications. Now, regarding the Unpacked event for the S24 Ultra, we have inside information that Samsung plans to hold it in mid to late January, with the phones hitting the shelves approximately 2 weeks after the event. Be sure to subscribe for the latest updates, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.